Silencing everything.
Stunning.
Filling out.
Let me hear you before you pull. Can you pull the guy without... I mean, we can do this pull, I don't care, but...
I can do 3, yeah.
No, the idea is you can skip those and just pull the guy. The Tormentor.
I gotcha.
Oh, we're pulling this all together, okay.
Forgiven's right here. Use Fleshcrafter to kill him.
Care, because I don't have cooldowns.
Tight. Spread.
Bob Gino.
That was not supposed to go on me. Why did it go on me? Stack tight. Away.
I have a defensive.
To the victor goes the anima. Claim your power, Maw Walkers.
I'm drinking, be careful.
Mm-hmm. Don't grab a hammer, Drew.
I got it. Ring spear. Okay.
Silencing.
Oh,
Go
go
grab the thing.
start the thing, yeah.
Yeah, I should have just Seraphim waked. Damn it.
A steward's job is never done.
It's activated. Oh fuck. Stack. Was it on me? Fuck.
I'm gonna start pulling them towards trash. Yeah.
Please do.
I got stuck into the fucking stairs.
Ain't got that one.
I think I'm lagged on. Fuck. That was a lag spike, I'm back.
Okay.
Fuck.
They're walking. It's just soldiers.
So you don't want to grab this one yet, right?
Nope.
You just want the
No,
pads and
keep
stuff.
walking. Yep.
Silencing left.
Feet. It's on me.
So we're grabbing this 3-pack, yeah?
Yeah, and then we go back for the buff.
I'm gonna need a.
Stopping
you
final
to kick-
bargain.
I need you to kick Marauder, Wolvie.
The shield. Blinding bargain.
Alright, go back. Alright, so we're grabbing that buff and then we're skipping this? Or pulling
No, we pull it
Pull it.
with the buff.
Okay.
That's the plan. It's you joking, mine's on cooldown.
I got it.
But it's 60 seconds, so I'll have it for next. So
Mount up. Get ready to grab.
So probably next time we just have.
I peel out and grab it.
I'll pull the 3.
I don't know if we can pull all of it together, but yeah.
Well, no, I mean, yeah, like just pull all of it together and then it's fine. Do I orb this too or no?
No,
No.
Okay.
oh, just die.
You save orb for
The big pull up to the stairs.
mm-mm.
Yeah, fuck that. We're pulling those with it next time. That's dumb.
Get hammer,
I'll get it.
spear,
Okay.
get shit. I don't want to get it because you know.
Have him.
If you want me to grab something, let me know. But all right, let's kill those two. Get in. We still have the buff. Actually, no, I lied.
No, we
Oh,
still have.
have it.
Yeah, 13 seconds. You need to be in here.
I don't see it.
Yeah, but
we
you have it.
You don't.
How is
No,
mine
I'm
gone?
seeing you pulsed it.
I mean, he probably has it. I'm just.
You're pulsing it. Just get in. Promise.
Now we go left or
Yeah,
possibly-
left. Murder this. Actually, yeah, it doesn't really matter. Stunning.
I mean,
Single
are we pulling
target.
Soggy too or no?
Oh yeah, you cannot do the last boss with Soggy. Because Ice Shard is physical.
Full service of the jailer.
Okay.
Ooh. Kill chains, please.
What are y'all doing?
Key.
Are we grabbing buff? We're pushing. Are we
Yep.
After
grabbing
this.
buff right now?
We're doing it after, and then we're using it on the next pull.
I'll do it after this chains.
Okay, we'll start it right now then.
How do you do? Back to work.
Take this
Start pulling.
power.
Nice.
You will need
Mount
it
up.
for the dangers ahead.
Did I get my power again?
Just make sure you run with the orb. We're still in orb.
I got it.
Ray, I think you have to grab hammer here.
Someone's gonna have to kick the sorcerer, okay?
I got it. Oh shit. Ray, kick it. Or grip it.
Alright.
Watch stacks. We invis here. Be careful. Okay, we're good.
You can run through them, by the way, with the animal buff, so don't sweat it. Dismiss your pet, Ray.
Yeah, this Mr. Pat and invis. We're at whoa. Wait pulled.
Just die. At the stairs and reincarn.
I got pulled out.
Never mind.
Are we going?
What are we doing?
Kill it.
Well, hold up. Well, did Moe die? I can
Yeah.
listen.
Yeah, I died.
There you go. Now we can die.
Just kill it.
Oh, you want to kill it? Okay.
At this point, yeah. Like,
Yeah, accepting your res.
committed like 6 cooldowns, so. So how did it pull?
I'm not sure.
Uh,
I think it was me, but
Did
It
you
was
taking
Wolvie.
fall damage get you out of Invest? Because you jumping off that pillar probably useless, right?
yeah, we can
Like,
check.
it shouldn't
Instead
pull
of-
you out.
I don't think it
I
was that high too, but
No,
it
like,
could've-
I mean, like the orb thing we had shouldn't pull us out, and it is.
So yeah, it was you jumping down and then having, or
Yeah.
you jumping down and then being visible.
could have been that.
Yeah, just don't do any. Like, there's no reason.
Man, if it's really that, I'm pissed.
Well, it had to be, right? That's the only.
I mean, that's that's why you do warm-ups.
Yeah.
You learn.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So just don't do any jumping off shit.
So
for
why
no
are
reason,
we?
when you can just block around?
Did we do too much trash? Because we were at 78
Oh,
before
Inferno,
that.
y'all!
All right.
It's because we just pulled that ad that we were supposed to skip.
Yep.
Probably. Well,
No, aren't we supposed to be like 60?
I don't know. You got
Did
the
everything
right.
right. Did everything right. Except for that last pack we just killed.
Let me eat. We still have 2 minutes, by the way. Unless.
Oh, here we go.
All right. Mind it tight.
I'm gonna kick the farthest away mage. Being Skull right now. Never mind.
I'm kicking the other. Kicks on the boss, please. Watch from
Breath.
Forgiven next on boss. And then Jorkin.
Forgiven if you can know what I'm talking
Okay.
about immediately. Pull him over
Damn it,
here.
Ray.
I'll get
My bad.
next.
My bad.
I'll
My
get
bad.
next. Oop, I guess not.
You put him in that corner. He spawns
Yeah, they'll
ads.
spawn like
Yeah.
in more central spot.
Care, pronto.
Crossbow in a range. Breath.
There's an ad. Still need to kill.
That's what he just said, Wolvie.
I didn't listen, I guess.
Nope. It's all good.
You have melee range. You can be at melee.
I got next.
Is
I got next.
Wolvie. Next is Tatsumi.
My soldiers rise once more.
Funnel boss. Tunnel boss. Next is Ray. Lit.
Sadly we still have lost, so I don't know what we do with it.
You saved us for last boss.
Yeah, just
We can lost next pack, because there's definitely 10 minutes to last boss, right?
shouldn't be.
No.
Alright, it's tyrannical, but yeah.
Shouldn't be.
To the necropolis. Let us end this atrocity.
We won't have lust if you lust now.
Yeah, got you. I'm saving it.
Alright, we're orbing this, yeah?
No, I'm doing
Okay.
this here. The
Gotcha,
regular
gotcha.
season I'm at.
Then what?
And
Keep
then
Fleshcrafter up, and then you pull
I'm
mini
gonna
boss.
hopefully the pat is gonna be in the right spot. And I'm gonna fucking send it.
Mars' dark magic coalesces here. Remove it at the source.
Ray, you gotta be careful with that grip, because where you gripped him, it put me in a position where I couldn't get behind the creation.
Okay, my bad.
It's okay. Oh, ouch.
Was that
So I know this is like the test.
Yep.
Whoever was like cleaving Fleshcrafter, you want to keep him up long as possible.
We actually don't want to cleave there super hard.
It looks like it was probably Ray.
It
I'm
was
not
me.
sweeping.
Alright, we're gonna do big dam here.
Beware.
Landing. Watch yourself with that. Kicking gore.
Beware.
Get out of that. Nice.
Stack scare. Oof.
Coming up.
Did you have Link?
Yeah, should have dropped it.
Alright, just, yeah. I'll just drop it next time there. Alright, let's pull these. Yeah, just don't be afraid to throw it, really.
No, you can call for it. You know, if you see it's coming and you know
Well, I'm
I'm
not
sleeping.
looking at people's health bars.
Yeah. No. If you know it's big bursting coming.
Up to
You know?
me, your drain fluids.
I know, it's your job, dude.
I know. I'm just saying. You can
No, I know.
call
I'm
for
like
it.
literally just saying, like,
Yeah.
I didn't know. He just died, and you went, "Oh, did you die?" And I went, "Did you have Link?"
Yeah.
I didn't know
Definitely.
what his health was at. Because I was too focused.
Like
on
on Tanner's
taking
team, the
32
keys
hours.
are the link is actually, you know, it's being called by the tank. Like he knows when he wants to use it.
Well,
'cause
yeah.
He's
But I
getting
mean, like,
smacked by shit, but yeah, it's a different story.
I
then.
would assume you would know that when we all have
Yeah.
stats, that you should probably fucking
Hello?
press the button. You know?
Hello.
Absolutely.
Hey,
Hey,
good morning.
good morning.
I wasn't really looking at everybody's health, to be fair.
Yeah, fair enough.
Can I
guess
not use
that's
A
on
bong
me.
here on any of these?
You probably can.
I mean, yeah, send it.
Sorry about that.
So when we kite in a little bit, be careful because there's a cold hard bay there.
Mhm.
Just keep that in mind. Going to the other
Yeah, just
side
make
of the
sure
room.
we're running to the left side of
Have
the room.
Bob up. Oh, good. We killed the before gore splatter. That would have killed us though, because we never kicked on it.
Yeah.
I got kicked still up. And so. And
I have Bob for this. If
I
you
was
get
gonna let it
walk
go.
away for a little bit and then get bumped.
Oh shit. They're both on me.
Yeah, it happens. It sucks.
I thought I'm doing it wrong.
It's on Tatsumi. Bop's out.
Bopped.
Beauty.
Beaver's out. Kick fluids.
Oh, did I have the second one too?
You might. For some reason, I don't know why they can target the same person. It's really dumb.
That's
Use the defensive Gino if you have one.
I got it. If it's ever like that, I'll just eat it for you guys.
Yeah. Stunning right off the bat. You can avoid this front array.
yep, my bad.
Be careful. I'm just saying, you know, it's okay here, but
There's a big bleed and it will fucking murder you.
yeah, especially on fortified.
Dodge.
Just be careful to your right.
Just pull it over here if you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
You can still attack and shit. Like, you're not that close. Just don't walk right.
Great,
Still-
AMS to
Still pretty
spew
far away.
if it's on you.
Wait, it did. Wait, what? He just spewed
Yeah,
it on a
drinking.
nothing.
No,
The
that's
fuck
spell
was that?
reflected.
Oh, nice.
That's why I told Ray to AMS.
Alright, so the goal is to kill that as soon as it casts the second hook. Or the third, I would say.
I spew here, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna me and then somebody else. You. G.
What
Oh.
the fuck? Oh my god.
Did you miss?
We have to lower this HP in this guy.
Don't worry, just make sure you spear them both.
My spear.
Okay, next hook goes to the stage. Okay, guys. Next hook.
Nice.
Ray.
Stage.
Oh no, it's alive.
Fuck. My bad.
Fine.
What? Fuck.
Because I'm a shithead and delayed it because I suck at this video game.
Nah,
It's
still
my
shouldn't matter.
fault.
It's
It's
the
okay.
second
No, no,
ad,
no.
dude.
It got delayed.
No, you're
Don't.
over exaggerating it. It's
I'm
not
not
that.
resing you,
The
Ray.
second
I'm not
ad
wasting it.
came out
Yeah, no
no
worries.
matter what. It still should have thrown it at the same time. Even if you got hit by the first one or not, it doesn't matter.
It's because he was down for a different amount of time. His time like got delayed because of the first dodge. I'm rezzing.
Can I release here?
I'm drinking.
I'll just res.
Nah, it's not like that, Jerky. I know what you're saying, but when the second ad comes out,
Alright, so here I would
Should
say
line up in the
try to save
'Cause it's
burst
happened to me
for
once.
when the shield is up, because this is what can
Yep.
kill us.
I have
If you
hammer.
have a-
Do I save
you
that?
save it for the hammer for when you come up. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
If you get
wait
brought
for
up.
him to get a shield, then hammer. I would say,
Mhm.
because this is what like on that
yeah,
high
you
key.
use
Alright, let's-
use the
Hold on,
hammers for
okay.
shields, especially when we lust here, if it's up, and then if you go down before you use it then.
Oh, Jerky, do you know the trick for
I do, but I'm not that good at it,
Okay.
and it'll fuck it up.
Beware.
I just do it on myself prior.
move? Care. We're slow.
Holy fuck! I was
We're
not ready
slow.
for that.
Yeah, just keep walking. It's one straight line. We can't box step anymore.
Yeah.
So everybody pick a line. Like,
Move away.
Now going down.
Beware.
Move.
The storm.
All right. So I was very confused about the hammer talk. When do I use it now? Because I haven't gone down.
so if you get thrown down, right?
I get the
then
crit
what
buff,
happens
right?
is you get 100% crit buff. Yeah. So it's like beneficial to use it after you come up. So if you don't get sent down on this one, right? Then you're just gonna throw the hammer when the boss has a shield. So since you didn't get thrown down on this one,
Use it when he has the
Oh.
shield.
did you just spell reflect the exile?
No, I charged it. We were
That
skipping
works.
it?
Oh,
Yes.
that's
I was under the assumption we were skipping.
no,
using
yeah.
hammer.
I just thought it was funny because I seen that you skip it. Because I know you can do it on like most characters.
You need to define most, because I don't know how to do it on anything.
It's
Maybe
just
ice
like
block.
a movement display. It's a movement displacement ability. It's like any ability that you use that displaces your character as you
I
press
will
it.
die here in 15 seconds though.
Come on, we can kill him 15 seconds.
Hammer if you didn't already, Ray.
I already did, right?
Yeah, if you have anything,
Nice,
use
nice.
it. That will be the time.
There you go. 2 chests of 19, boy. That's GG.
Nice job, guys.
Where's he?
And we kind of.
I'm so sorry about that fucking first one. That was so stupid of
Oh,
me.
don't even worry about it. It's actually
Like, I legitimately just like
It's kinda
walk
funny.
in a straight line. Like I.
No, it's funny
straight up-
because you started walking back and started hitting the boss. I'm like, Jerky, no!
Dude, I straight up walked up and down smashed. It was so bad.
Alright,
Dude,
so,
oh, I'll be right back.
so, are we ready for the 21?
Yeah, I don't care.
Oh,
you guys do?
I can't. I can't. Actually, that's what that phone call was.
Oh, no, you're good, bro.
You're breaking my heart, man.
There's a guy coming to my house, like to the actual house.
Mm-hmm.
He's coming pick me up, and we're going finally fix my house.
Oh, nice, dude. You going to
Nice, dude.
your actual back home?
No. Like he's coming to pick me up. He needs to get into the house. Like it's
Yeah, but
actually
you're
the
going back to
inside.
fix your home.
Mhm.
Right? I got you. Nice, man. Fuck yeah.
Anybody
I was
wanna
told
load?
11:30, not 9:30.
I got a 16 Necrotic Wake.
Yeah, Sky is looking for keys too, so
Except for, I think we're all healers.
I
looking
just
for
need
keys.
3,000. I mean, I'll go on my DJ.
That brought my mythic rating to
But yeah,
22.
the push key, 9 out of 10 route, really good. The only difference is if you have to do it 3 hours great push, you keep Fleshcrafter alive, pull
yeah.
Lieutenant, pull Oros there, and use Fleshcrafter to kill.
We in cap.
Actually, I don't think they ever pull Oros on any key,
So-
to be honest.
The only way, Jorky, to be able to do that, right, is only with a Shadow Priest. Because what you do is you mind control it, and
Yeah.
it turns it, that ad, since you leave those 2 ads for last, and then when you mind control it, it turns it into a friendly player. Therefore,
You
the
can heal
game
it.
thinks there's no enemies, so it begins the RP for the boss to start doing his, like, 2 ads, then the left side, then the right side. Because it will never do the RP until all the ads are dead.
Yeah.
So you leave that one alive.
And then you can even snap it
and
up
then-
here for the last boss.
Exactly. So what you do is you mind control it, and then you drop mind control when it's doing the carve thing, and then that way it'll target some